Solve practice 5.5, question 3. Given that this, and this are three consecutive terms in a geometric progression. So this, and this must have the same R. State the positive value of x. Okay, let's try to find. So we know R is T2 over T1, or T3 over T2, or T4 over T3, and so on. So in this case, since we know it's T2 over T1 equals to T3 over T2, we can use this. So T2 over T1 must equal to T3 over T2. Okay, then we have to solve this, right? So I see we can actually factor out the 4 from here to make our life easier actually. So if we factor out the 4 up here, we will get 4x plus 1. And then we can cut this one. Makes our life easier lah. So this is just 4. So we can say this we bring here becomes times. So x plus 1 is 4 times x minus 2. Then we expand 4x minus 8. Okay, so all the x's we bring to one side. So x we bring here becomes 4x minus x. And then the number here will be 1 plus 8. So 3x is 9. Therefore, x is 9 over 3. So x is just 3. Done. Okay. Right. Then they ask us to list the first three terms and state the common ratio. Okay. Now that we have the value of x, we can find the three terms lah. So the first one will be 3 minus 2, which is 1. 3 plus 1, which is 4. 4 times 3 plus 4. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. So this will be the first three terms. Okay. Then we need to find the common ratio. Common ratio is just this lah. T2 over T1. So T2 over T1 is just 4. Okay, done. That's it.